Hi, hello friends, it's Shalene. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I share lots of shopping, beauty, decor, home, my subscription boxes that I love to share all them. And so I hope you stick around. Today I am sharing the Glossy Box. I've shared the Glossy Box before. This is an $18 box. Always comes in beautiful packaging. This one kind of looks nature. I think the theme for this one was bloom and grow. So inside the box is always pretty. These boxes are great to save and give gifts in. Always comes packaged pretty with a bow and tissue paper. And let's see. You can kind of get a look inside the box. There's a card that you can scan that tells about the products in the box. So there's that. And let's see here. The first thing I'm pulling out of the box is from the Vintage Cosmetic Company, and it is some scrunchies, satin hair scrunchies. I love the color. They're yellow and fun for summer. I wear these. I usually wear these to bed. I like to pull my hair back. So those are fun to get. They will get used. And let's see what else I got here. I'm pulling out a brush. This is from LaRouche. It's a pink tapered blending brush. So, like the feel of it. Anyway, there's that. The next thing I'm going to pull out is from e.l.f. And it's a little eyeshadow palette. I really like these colors. I don't know how they look in. They're kind of like a berry. I think this is, I'm not going to open this because it's taped shut, but it's 4 little berry perfumes, kind of neutrals. Anyway, those look good. So they're called Bite Size Shadows Berry Bad. They're not super tiny. They're pretty good size. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out here is, this is from Kuishi. Haven't heard of the brand. Kueshi, and it's a vanilla shower gel. And let's see how it smells. Actually, it smells good. I'm one of the few people that doesn't absolutely love vanilla. I like it when it's mixed with other scents, but this one I really like. So, you can always use a shower gel. So, there's that. Oh, and it feels like it's feels a little bit of it has an exfoliant in it. So, that's kind of nice. Okay, next I'm pulling out from, this is from Commodity, and they have a line of scents, and I don't have this one. I have the gold, but this one is the paper. So it's a little sample, but it's not a super small sample. It's a decent size sample there. And so the paper, I like it. Oh, that smells really good. I'm not a huge fan of the Commodity Gold. I'm going to give it a try because it seems like most people really like it. So I'm going to give that one a try. But this one right off the bat, I know that I like. So that's good. So the last thing in here, let's see, it came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. The last thing is a superfood. It's a glow priming moisturizer from Elemis. I love Elemis products. I'm excited about this. I love the idea that it's a primer, glow, moisturizer all in one. So I'm definitely going to use this. I'm excited about that. So those are the 6 items. We got this, the perfume, the brush, the cute elf eyeshadow kit, and see if I can get this all, and the vanilla shower gel. So there we go. So that's Glossybox. Glossybox is $18 a month. Sometimes you can get a discount on that, and you can get a discount through my code that I'll put down below in my description. And so I hope you enjoy, and maybe give Glossybox a try. All right. Thanks for joining us today. Bye-bye. We'll see you later.